Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add your Skype account to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook first. And now you can see here two profiles, which is your original profile or normal profile and which is your Facebook page profile. Click on your Facebook page profile and click on About and then scroll down a bit. You'll find here websites and social links. This one. Okay, all you have to just click here, add a social link. Now you have to click again, add a social link. Now you have to choose from here. You can see the drop down menu. Click on this drop down and scroll down till you find Skype. This one, Skype. Now you have to put here your Skype username like this. Click on save and your Skype has been saved here. Okay guys, so this is how you can link a Skype account to your Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.